This is a review video of the RØDE VideoMic GO II, an ultra-compact on-camera shotgun microphone. I purchased this item because I wanted a lightweight, high-quality microphone that could capture professional audio for my content creation, podcasting, and even video calls. I like to use this microphone for filming my Amazon review videos and other projects where crystal clear sound makes all the difference. Its compact size and ease of use make it perfect for both on-the-go recording and my home setup. Some of the features I love include the dual connectivity options, a 3.5mm TRS output for cameras, and a USB output for smartphones, tablets, or computers. It doesn't require a battery or complicated controls, so setup is super simple. It also comes with a deluxe windshield and the innovative Helix isolation mount, which helps reduce wind and handling noise. Plus, it's compatible with RØDE software for advanced features like a high-pass filter and high-frequency boost. So my final thoughts, the RØDE VideoMic GO II is a game-changer for creators who want premium audio without the hassle. Whether you're filming videos, podcasting, or taking calls, this mic delivers exceptional sound quality in a user-friendly design. Check it out and take your audio to the next level.